Lupa dyan, layo bahay. Hey, Miggy. Meron siyang sasakyan. Meron siyang hektar-hektar yung lupa. May house kanila. At siya yung tanging nagapagmana. Pero wala sa no. Hindi sa galang. Go. Habibi. Yes. Meron daw may sasakyan, may lupa at bahay, pero hindi sa kanya daw yun. Ilan ang Fortuner mo? Dalawang Fortuner. Ayan. Ipakita mo na yung amin, Fortune tabako lang. Ipakita mo yung titulo. Ipakita mo yung titulo para makita. Ano ba? Sorry? Yung title ka?
Rider daw siya.
Rider. Okay.
Doing before when working with
Go. Sige na, kung ano advice na iya, kasunod na yun.
for me to arrive
Yeah, like that. But sometimes I call my
Go. Ay, Pisay. Tatay.
princess.
Sir, okay lang po ba? Okay lang. Ayan. Pinakikita na yung muscle. Alam, kaya mo ba yung muscle ni Sir Rene? Kung kaya mo na yung muscle ni Sir Rene, pwede ka na kay Miggy. Ayan. Ayan, nag-post mo. Ayan. Sige mo. Ayan. Kung natalo mo lang galing, pwede ka. Oh, bless. Ayan. Natalo. Ayan, nag-bless. Nag-bless ulit kay mother. Kay tita. Bless. Kay mother. Bless. Kay hipag. Bless kay hipag.
very heavy.
Okay.
Ask the number, ask the Facebook account.
Sir, boss, yung microphone. Microphone, please. Go, sit beside the car. Go. Sit beside Miggy. Sit beside Miggy. Ask her number. Ask something. How old is she? What's her full name? What's her Facebook account? And cell phone number. Yala. Don't ask the age. Just ask, what do you want in life? Just like that. Yala! Go ahead.
God damn it.
Yala! Alas! Ayan. Ayan na si Kalib. Magpapakara-kara na si Kalib doon. You can talk to her Arabic also. Oh, you can speak also Arabic. Go.